Hi, my name is Jamie Snyder, and I'd like to discuss using Mindmeister. So, in our classroom, my co-teacher and I will usually create resources for the students to help them understand concepts. For example, we had this very in-depth character map for the students. However, it might have been better if they had to make their own character map so that they had to take ownership of the material and then they would retain it better. So Mindmeister has a lot of options. You can do mind maps, outlines, you can do custom ideas, and then while the students are working on it, my co-teacher and I could monitor, comment, highlight, make some good suggestions for them. As far as standards go, 1.3.c, this app would help allow my students to collect and organize information from books or other resources and connect them to make meaningful conclusions. And 3.1.b, this app would give students the access and connection to technology that they need to have an engaging learning experience. So it's pretty accessible. You can do apps on both major operating systems, and there is a website. We'll be using the website, and there are free and pay versions. We will be using the free version. Here's the link. And here's how the homepage looks. Here's a mind map I started. You can do all sorts of different ways, and you can do some sharing options. Just invite people using their email address. And here's the reference page. Here are the standards, and here's the link for Meister Labs. All right, here we go. I'm all logged in. Let's check it out. So here, let's say I just wanted to make it very obvious to the students about all of the books that we will be reading this semester. I can easily add some more. After night, we're going to be doing The Sun Does Shine. And then we're going to do Speak. And this is good for me too, because I'm constantly mixing up, wait, what are we doing in 11 verse? What are we doing with the sophomores? I'm a mess. So after The Crucible, we're going to be looking at The Great Gatsby. And we're also going to be doing A Raisin in the Sun. So hopefully then the students can take a look at this and plan out their lives. I know that I like to do audiobooks before teaching stuff, so that's good for me because those take forever. But that's just what works for me. So hopefully this could be a helpful resource for the students. And thank you so much for watching my video.